So you can see my slides now, right? I'm actually sharing. We are on cells, and this is actually the second lesson on cells. Do you still recall what we learned last week? What did we learn about cells? Come on, tell me something that you know. Quickly type. Yeah. You are very fast typists. Okay, good. First thing someone mentioned, we learned about animal cells. Okay, good. And then we also learn about plant cell, right? Wow, badin. Okay. This is something, okay, good. Yes. We learn about, under animal cell. Okay, we talk about, maybe not just animal cell, in general. Hold on, Jakai is here. Let me admit him. In general, we learn about unicellular. What is the other one that we talk about? The opposite of unicellular? It's okay, Jaden. I know you're new. Don't worry. So now you can see the summary, okay, of our topic. Good. So you're already typed in. Thank you. Unicellular and multicellular. What do you think each of them refer to? Hey, what do you think they refer to? Thank you, Evan. Yeah, unicellular means one cell only, right? Yes. Do you know of any example? Yeah, okay, many cells. And then this is just one cell organism. Good. So example, amoeba. Okay, thank you very much. How about the many cells? Yeah, thank you. There are more E's also. What about the many cells? What do you think? Human, very good. Yeah, we are made up of many different types of cells. Okay, so animals, humans. Yeah, good. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. What else can I actually get from you? Animal cell. Hi, Gordon. You must be happy to be back here. How about plants? What do you mean by how about plants? It's okay. Gordon, we were just discussing a little bit about, our holidays. Then we are now going into the summary of this topic. What we have learned before our 1 week break. Yes. What about plants? Yeah, correct. They are multicellular. Okay, that's why I classify under just cells. I didn't put under animal or plant, right? Haven't you noticed that? Yes, correct. Good. Yes. Yeah, like for example, in a plant, we have the root cells and we have the leaf cells. Correct or not? Right or not, Evan? We got leaf cells lah, we got the root cells. So plants are made up of already more than one cells. Is it correct? How about the stem? Okay, and then if you are going to talk about the other parts of the plant, okay, you also have the flowers, right? My picture looks so weird, It's always like something popping out, right? It's actually something from Bali hanging on the wall, okay? And then I don't know why it keep appearing on my head. Okay, back to this. Can you tell me something about animal cells and plant cells? Thank you, Giselle. Giselle says, okay, this is the one with chloroplast. Thank you for starting this. So we are looking at the parts of the plant cell as well as parts of the animal cell. Yes. Okay. You can also talk about, similarity, differences. One does not have cell wall, the other has a cell wall. Which one does not have? We can list down, for example, all for animal cells. Okay, because some of you are talking about animal cells has these parts, and then plant cells has this part. Very good. So I like how you all are very anxious, very excited to key in whatever you know. Wonderful. So Evan, yes, which one does not have a cell wall? Is that the one you just typed in? Yeah, very good. Yeah, Giselle also typed in, right? Okay, so that means plant cell has cell wall, right? Can. Then I'll write it in. What else? What else is there? What else is there? Because animal cell don't have cell wall, I don't write it there. Okay, plant cell has chloroplast, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane. Thank you, Dan. So I have all this from Dan. My voice sounds a little bit weird. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that all? Okay. Then someone can write for me the parts of the animal cells, right? Very good. Thank you, then. Animal cells. What do you think can be found in the animal cell? Okay, Jokai. Yes, thank you, Jokai. Okay, thank you, Giselle. Okay, what else? Yes, inside there's this thing called the nucleus. Nucleus is like the brain, right, of the whole cell. And then what is, what is that liquid thing inside the cell? Within the cell membrane? Yes, thank you. Jokai. Cytoplasm. Why did you write down vacuole, Giselle? That's for plants, Okay, actually, do you all know animal cells has got tiny vacuoles? Okay, you might not know now. What you learn, actually, teacher will tell you don't have, right? But actually there is. In secondary school, you will need to know. But now in primary school, you're going to say don't have. And plant cell has, right, a large vacuole. But animal cells don't have. Okay, but in Sec 1, you're going to learn something different. Don't be surprised. No, don't say that. Okay, don't say that. They're not lying. It's just that in general, okay, they classify as don't have a large vacuole. If you read very carefully, they say don't have a large vacuole. They never say don't have small, tiny vacuoles, right? They're playing with words. Okay? Yeah, you saw that, isn't it? You heard something about it. Animal cells does not have or an animal cell does not have a large vacuole, but then a plant cell has a large vacuole. Yes, Evan, good. So if you have listened very carefully, your teacher would have said that. Right? Okay, so you learned something extra, but it's fine. Don't worry about this. Now, there is something very special about animal cell, or shall I say the plant cell, when you are comparing it with the animal cell. Jaden, you look so tired, Jaden. Are you very tired? You are, you didn't have enough sleep. Okay. Right, Jaden, you try your best to stay awake. Otherwise, you can wash your face, okay? And then you come back here. There's another Jaden, not Jaden Cole. I have a Jaden as well. So yeah, Jaden Cole, you're not tired, right? Even though you're sitting this way. Okay, but Jaden looks really, really tired. Now, what was I saying? Something special about the plant cell. Because of the parts that it has, I see. Because of the parts that it has, okay, it is special. Can you mention something about the plant cell that you know? Something about the plant cell? Yeah, I see many of you typing already. Good. Something about the plant cell because of its parts that the animal cell doesn't have. Timothy also typing, huh? Yeah. Kenny, you try to respond today, yeah? Okay, tell me something about it. It has this part, right? So what's so special about it? What is so special about this part? Okay. Yeah, Jokai also mentioned. Giselle mentioned, Jokai mentioned. Yeah. Right. Oh, Gordon, not to worry, Gordon. We can clear up that later. Okay, yeah, Jakai, yes, it's true. Because of the chloroplast, the plants are usually green in color, right? Yes. What else? What else can it do? Because of the chloroplast, it's going to be special. It can photosynthesize. What is the meaning of photosynthesize? When plants photosynthesize, they they make their own food, isn't it? Good. Okay, yes, to create food, to produce food, to capture sunlight, to make food for the plant, yes. Now, there's one more part of the plant cell that gives it something special. I want to see who can answer that. Who can answer that? Zesi, you think you can answer that, Zesi? Why is so special? There's one extra part, that is very special. Have you learned this before, Zesi? You learned plant cells and animal cells in school already? Yes, you did. Then you should know. You should know. Nobody can answer that? Really? Teja, you want to answer that? No, then not that one. I'm talking about the list here. You look at the list here. Evan haven't learned, It's okay. Now, what is inside this list? Okay, can you see all this chloroplast, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, and vacuole? I said that the parts that plant cell has, right? But the animal cell doesn't have. It makes it very special. Let's see. Yeah, if you can type that down. So what does that do? What does that do? What is so special about? Jakai, do you know? Yeah, okay. Then he already typed in. Then is the only person who typed in. Yeah, Evan now also typed in. It is the cell wall. What is so special about cell wall? It gives the plant cell a definite shape. Okay, so if it's a rectangular shape, right? Yeah, then that part of the plant will all have cells of rectangular shape. Okay, you know that it's not just rectangular. It can be maybe hexagon shape. Okay, so they will all have fixed shape. Okay, and they don't change the shape, They cannot today look like hexagon, tomorrow look like rectangle, another day look like square. Clear? So they have a fixed shape. But an animal cell does not have fixed shape. Okay, so that is because the outer layer is only the cell membrane. Gordon, you asked me about cell membrane, right? Cell membrane is like, if I can make reference like a plastic bag, that kind of thing, very flexible kind. Okay, so you squeeze it a bit, then the cell can change the shape. Okay, and then it can become round again, then become oval. But if it's a cell wall, then it's totally different. It will have its fixed shape all the time. Clear? Any question? Okay, so we covered this last lesson. Now let's go on. Which of the following statements, okay, question 1 here, about the cell wall of a plant cell are true? Does it contain chlorophyll? We are talking about what? Cell wall. Does it contain chlorophyll? Yes or no? No. Zesi, you said hi. You wanted to tell me something, Zesi? I hope I didn't miss out something. Yeah, Zesi, let's see you have something to tell me. You type in, okay, into the chat. Okay, it's made of a tough material called cellulose. Is it correct? Yeah, is it correct? What's the answer actually? Okay, let me look at your responses. A lot of you put down B. I have one person putting C, and then D, I have one person also. Majority actually says answer is B and C because you all chose option B, right? Yeah, it's correct. B and C are correct. Okay. All right. Supports the cell, gives it a regular shape. Controls movement of materials in and out of cell. Which part of the plant cell has this function.